What's up you guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are making the red chili chicken charga recipe. So the main focus is about the whole chicken marinated in red chilies, okay, and we will be making this recipe in only red chilies, okay. So this is a best recipe, this is the on top of the world recipe. What do you mean by charga? Okay, let me tell you about this. In Southeast Asia they call the whole chicken, when you deep fry it or you bake it or you cook it on charcoals or even you cook it on wood, they call it charga. So the marination for it, as me living in USA, I'm just telling you, and if you guys want to make it at home, do try this recipe. This is chili chicken charga in air fryer, sharing this video with you guys in an air fryer. So this is our whole chicken with the skin on. I have made some deep cuts just like that. Get the whole chicken with the skin on and take your knife and make at least 6 cuts on the breast and 6 on the other side as well. If you guys see the legs, I made 2 deep cuts. I'm making 2 more additional deep cuts on the chicken legs just like this. So it goes on the right side as well. 2 more deep cuts on the chicken legs. If you guys see, I have the wing part of the chicken. So I don't like the wing part of the chicken, I mean the feathery part. So this is what I'm doing right now, remove the wing part. So it's all done. So as you guys saw, I have removed the extra feathery wings from the chicken. Let's move to the next part, the final main ingredient part. We will take our regular blender, or what do you call it, call it a juicer too, and we will add at least 5 spoons of canola oil. So I just want to make a note here, if you want to bake it, use any kind of oil. If you want to cook it on charcoal, on a fire grill, on a gas grill, use any kind of oil. I'm using an air fryer grill here, okay. So this means I have to make sure my oil is an oil which don't make smoke on the highest temperatures, So in my research, what I have noticed, the canola oil and the grape oil doesn't make this much smoke in your home inside grill. Let's move on to the next part. Take your red bell pepper, okay. This is the red bell pepper. I'm chopping it from the sides. As you guys can see, this is whole chicken, okay, and this is the seed part and the knot part, the stem part. We will make small pieces of our red bell pepper with the help of a knife. It's okay if you get a smaller pieces of the what do you call the seeds, it's all fine. Make as small pieces as possible. So make as small pieces of your red bell pepper, as small as possible, so it's going to be easier for your juicer or your mixer to blend these guys. We want to make it as a fine smoothie for our chicken marination. So this is our red bell pepper. If you guys don't have the red bell pepper, I just want to make a note here, if you guys don't have a red bell pepper, it's all okay. You can use just red jalapenos or red chilies, and we will take our peppers and just add it here. All right, so we are adding the red bell peppers right there. We will take at least 4 cups of white vinegar and we will just add it right here in our juicer. So we will put the juicer. So we are making red bell pepper, vinegar and canola oil, blended smoothly as fine as possible. Okay, our vinegar, red bell pepper and oil, canola oil, is all done right here in our blender or juicer, you can call. We'll place our chicken for the marination, right? So this is a whole chicken with the skin on, all right here. Let me show you the main ingredient right now. This is the pomegranate seed powder, okay. This is a pomegranate seed powder. We need at least 1.5 tablespoon of pomegranate seed powder. We'll put it right there. These are, this is red chili powder, okay. This is a red chili recipe, so you have to make sure you have red chili powder on the table for it. I'm using at least 3 to 4 tablespoons. I would suggest add 4 tablespoons right on top of your chicken. I have here white pepper powder. I'll be using at least 1 whole tablespoon of white pepper powder. Okay, 1 whole tablespoon goes right there. I have salt here, table salt, regular salt. I'll be using 1 whole tablespoon of regular salt right here on top. This is red crushed chilies, so we will add at least 1 tablespoon of red crushed chili. We will take our blended juice with the vinegar, bell pepper and canola oil, and we will add all right here. It goes, all of it goes right on top of it. After adding all of the ingredients on top of your chicken, this is the bowl with all the ingredients. The best part, these are the deep cuts, right? So massage the whole mixture right into deep cuts. This is the best red chili chargha recipe. Oven fried, deep fried, or even on the grill, or even I'm sharing the best recipe for the air fried grill. Okay, so this is the air fried grill recipe. So we will just massage our chicken with all into the deep cuts. If you come closer, I'll show you how. So this is our chicken leg. This is all the marination. Just make sure everything goes right in there. So easy. The pepper powder, the red chilies and the red bell pepper. This is the whole recipe. Take your chicken and make sure you fill your recipes inside all the way in, so it has to be a tasty recipe. So by saying this, you have to make sure all the marination, all the ingredients what you are putting on your red chili chargha, it should go all the way in. So this is the back part of the chicken. I have no cuts in here so far. I'll take a knife and I'll just do a rough cuts on the back part of the chicken. If you get a whole chicken, this is what you have to do with the backbone or the back part of the chicken. Just do rough cuts on it. So it means the whole marination, the whole ingredients, what you are putting on top of your red chili chargha should be present on top of your chicken. All right, so this whole massaging is done. As you guys can see closerly, this is all perfectly done. This is our air fryer. I'll turn the power on. I need the air crisp for the chicken, so I'll press that. It says 390 and now it's asking for the time. I'll put it for 25 minutes and I will start. So this is preheating right now for the air fry, for the air crisp of our red chicken chili powder chicken chargha roast. So it's been 5 minutes. Our Ninja Foodie Grill air fry crisp is ready. It's telling us to add the food right here. If you guys can see, add food. Grab it with the thong, our chicken, gently, and we will place the whole chicken right in here. So as you guys saw, the whole chicken goes right here. Close the lid and cook it for at least 8 minutes on this side. After 8 minutes, we will be flipping up the sides. The breast part should be on the done part and the leg and the back part should be on top of it. We will open up the lid and check this in 18 minutes. The marination got the crust already. What we are doing, guys, we are flipping up the whole chicken. So oh wow, it's kind of sticking at the bottom. So here it's the flip. Okay, the whole flip goes right there. We will close on our lid and we will check back this chicken after next 8 minutes. In the meantime, what I did? I sliced up some radish, some cucumbers and some lemon and some tomatoes right here in the presenting dish. So after 8 minutes, the next 8 minutes, we will flip the chicken the last time. And this is how we are making the red chili chicken charga. So it's been another 8 minutes for the air crisp roast. We will open up the lid. As you guys can see, this is roasting on the back. We will take our rubber tongue and we will flip our whole chicken just like this here. Okay, so we have 9 minutes left, right? So we will put the tongue back and make sure the chicken gets in. Close on the lid, and this is the air crisp roast going on right now for 9 minutes. So we cook the front side, then we flip the back side, and now we are cooking for the 9 minutes. So 8 and 9, this is 25 minutes. So for 9 minutes we will be waiting on our air crisp roast chicken. If you are baking it, follow the same recipe. Keep your oven at 400 degrees. I just want to make a note here, don't keep it for 350. This is what a deep fryer does, and for the oven it should be 400 degrees. Alright guys, so it's been the 9 minutes final, the final stage of 25 minutes. This is what we are dealing with right now. This is a whole crispy roast. Oh my god, let me dish this out. Oh wow, and put it right here. It looks so good with the sauces. Oh wow, the crisp is on there, the freshness is right there, the whole chicken. That's delicious, that's wonderful. That's the whole recipe right there, guys. So guys, this is the moment of truth. Okay, this is the whole red chili chicken charga roast. Oh my, oh wow, check this. Oh wow, oh my, the taste and the juiciness, it's right on point. Check this, take a close look. So this is the chicken leg, top part. Oh my, this is steaming hot and it's fully soft, fully cooked. Into the cucumber. The chicken. Oh wow. The red chili flavor has infused all the way in there. So this is the chicken breast. Oh my. It's soft, but it's so hot I can't even pull it out. The red chili has done its job. Complement with the cucumber. Let me put some lemon. Let's put some lemon, and here's the deep bite. Oh my, check this, it's all juicy. So there goes the lemon. This is the ultimate bite. So we will take the deepest bite ever. It's so soft. You guys see that? It's not dry chicken at all. This is the softest chicken ever, with the red chili, the white pepper, the red bell pepper, and the vinegar. Oh my, it's like you're eating up the clouds. Check the bing right here. It's steaming hot. Oh wow guys, off the bone fully. I shared this video just for you guys, just to see how you can make your own recipes at home by yourself in under an hour. So this is the whole recipe of red chili chicken charga at home. You can bake it, you can grill it, you can put it in oven, but it's gonna be the best recipe ever you guys can ever find. Do subscribe the channel, like the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Subscribe the channel. This is the main part of the whole thing, so we can make more recipes for you guys every other day. Anyway, bye bye for now.